Praise the Lord. Welcome to AIM. Okay, guys, we're here. We're back. We're on our way home, and I'm showing you the construction. This is coming from Accra, going towards Ensawam. Okay, so this is the road construction going on. Coming back from church. Nana, did you have a good time?
Yes.
All right. My husband driving. It's been quite difficult driving today. For some reason, it's usually difficult anyway, but today has been a little extra difficult. So if you saw the other video, you see what I was saying about they're putting the forms. See how they're putting the forms? And then they will pour the cement. And then when they take it off, you know, it will be cement. That's how they're doing the wall. So I think right now this will be the access road that we're riding on right now. They've made their own access road over there. For now, like you see, that can't just go right over the gutter. So for the people that stay here, you know, they have to have a way. So they've made them a little way to get there for now. I keep seeing these holes in the gutter. You see it? Oh. The damage to the vehicle, I'm sure, was a lot. So this is how it looks, guys, when they have not put the water down on the road. So it's a little difficult. There's the place we passed in there before. No, you can't even see. This is the house, the landmark I usually show you guys of where we are. Yeah, you see how there's a big truck right there. See how dangerous it is? So me personally, I like the water truck. Yeah. No. So thank you, Nana. Yeah, it's hard to see because of the dust. And you got a bike. Wow. Yep. So the roads are difficult to drive on, guys. Now, once the road is finished, the dust won't be like that. But yeah, you have a lot of challenges. Let me put it that way. Here we are, guys. Pokwasi. Oh, okay, we normally go that way.
Go that way for you to continue.
It's okay.
Yeah, because I wanted to cut short.
Okay, so we're gonna take a shortcut, guys. I mean, it will be fine too. You guys feel like taking a shortcut? So the construction is going on. You've seen it. If you haven't seen it, check the other video. So this will be good too. We'll take you on a little shortcut. Pokwasi. Well, we haven't done a video this way. So we'll take you guys. This is what the walkway will look like, guys. So I don't know how long I'll take you on a ride through here, but I will take you for a little bit anyway.
This one will take us through to Amasaman.
Oh, okay. So this is the way we go to Amasaman. So you'll see all the little shops and things. I'm always looking. Wow, they got a lot of stuff. Yep. A lot of stuff. Oh yeah, we came this way before because I bought some tomatoes over there. 7 Roma tomatoes for 20 CDs. Yep. Little expensive in my mind. But this is Poquassee. I'm sure there's other areas that are built up as well around. This just happens to be the little road we're taking. So I'll take you through another few minutes with us and let you guys see how it is here. We got shoes for sale. Lots of shoes for Nana for school. Yep. So at least this road is paved, but the problem is they don't normally upkeep it. So once they pave it, I guess there's a lot of other things to do. So it's a developing country, so to upkeep it, they don't do that too much, I guess. So you get some erosion and stuff and some potholes. Yeah. So this is it. You have all your little shops and things along the road. This is some agricultural land over there, a little river as well. I wonder how it fared over there with the heavy rains we've been having. There's another place. Oh. Yep. A little football field, soccer field. This is what it looks like, guys. Car wash, a church. Yep. I think this way is just a lot better for us. It cuts off some time of our travel. So as we're here, my husband is really learning a lot of the different shorter ways than the main road to get through. Now once the main road is completed, I'm sure he will be taking that one. There's a little nursery. And this is what it's looking like out here. Okay, we're coming up on a sign, so I'll show you guys. Guys, remember we're in the truck too, so it's quite deep. Okay, so this is agri area here. Excuse me. This is like agri business incubation center. So I guess that's where they start the plants and things like that. I think they might sell. Maybe that's where they give the free trees out. One of the places. They do have some promotions where they give trees away to try and encourage people to plant trees. So I guess I guess there's still some more construction up here. I'll keep you guys can hang out with us. You're in the truck right now anyway, so I guess you just as well come with us. We're gonna come back out onto the road, so you can still see some of the construction. This just cuts off quite a bit. That's what it's looking like over there. I think they do cement over there. Yep, I think they make cement. Oh, they also have trucks and stuff. This is what it's looking like. You guys remember this market as we're passing by? Yep. They have motos here for those who want to take the moto. And the market. So that just cut off some of the dirt. And you see they put the water down. So they're doing good to do that with the water. There's the market over there. Here's some of what I was saying. This place, I'm thinking, you guys see how the pillars are. I'm thinking it might be like the interchange, you know, the exit. See what I mean? Yep. So they're still working. Every day they're working. So as you guys saw in the beginning part of the video, it can be very dangerous with that dust. And of course, like I always say, the Trotros will not be in the middle of the road taking up, you know, space and making traffic slow down. It's a beautiful day today, and we thank God. Doesn't seem like it rained here, so we're thankful. We had put the cassava out this morning and hoping that it will stay dry. So there's some of the trucks, and we got the dust again. So it seems like this part they didn't put water on that they're driving on, so it's making it quite dusty. Here's some of the work they're doing over here. I know it's a little hard to see sometimes, guys, but we catch what we can and let you guys see how it's going. Okay, so here is the walkway that they're starting to do. They did some, and then they stopped, but they're working on it again. So, yeah, there it is. That will be the overhead walkway. And yeah, they'll be putting the forms on this to make the road. See how they're doing it? They're putting the forms up, then they'll pour the cement, and there you'll have a wall. So they'll do that with this too. So this will be the part we will ride on once it's finished. You see the dust is very dangerous. But we'll be riding going up, I guess. It's okay, Seth. it doesn't fall again. Just leave it. It'll be okay. So that's how they're crossing, I guess. I wasn't watching and I looked up and saw the chocho. I was a little bit nervous. But my husband's watching, so there is the Home Depot store. So you guys can get a good idea where we're at. So they're really working. Different stuff. They're doing different things throughout. We're seeing progress. I hope and pray they get some more water trucks out here today. Because some parts were kind of dangerous. But you see how it is when it's wet. You know, it might make your car a little dirty, but it's still better. You're going to get your car dirty with the dust too, but at least this way, it's safer. So there is our other landmark building we always follow. We're actually on pavement right now. They stay in their lane. So they're building this wall up quite a bit of this place. I guess the road will be up on the top. Really coming along. See how the pillars are there? Can you guys see? So that's what makes me think the other one will be like where those pillars are. Seems like it's not going to be the main road, but like an entrance ramp. But this is the main, this will be the main road, so that might be the highest point of it, and then people will cross down through here, you know, to access the areas. See how high that is, that wall is. Very, very high. So this whole place, I'm guessing, will be filled in. They're doing another wall. See, they're continuing that side. So this whole place will be filled way up. I'm guessing to the top of the wall, maybe. Up. So for another landmark, there's Pobeman Total Energies gas station, or as they call it here, petrol station. So we always pray and ask for God to bring us back home safely. And you know, you might not think much about it in certain places, but here, I mean, we see God has kept us, and we are grateful and thankful. All right, guys, I think that's about the end of the road project for us, and I'll let you go at that. Till next time, God bless you.